In this problem, suppose a charge of proton and electron differ slightly. Charge of proton and charge of electron is slightly differ. One of them is minus E, another is E plus del E. If the net force of electrostatic force and gravitational force between two hydrogen atoms placed at a distance small d much greater than the atomic size apart is 0, then del E is the order of. So, first you have to understand the question. What will be expect from this area? If you have known the concept, you can get easily 4 marks. First one is the proton charge is given minus E, and proton and electron charge will be set slightly. One charge is minus E and other charge is E plus del E. E plus del E. And you have known the atom. Atom is said to be the number of electron, number of protons. Net charge in the atom. First net charge, what is the value of atom? Minus E plus del E. Minus E plus E equal to 0. Total value is del E. So this is called as a net charge. Q. This is called as a net charge. Next, what are the conditions will be given? If the net force of electrostatic force and gravitational force between two hydrogen atoms. First you go draw the diagram. Two hydrogen. One is hydrogen, another one is hydrogen. The net charge, first hydrogen atom net charge is E. So another is net charge is E. The distance will be given. The distance is D. You know the formula for electrostatic force according to Coulomb's law. What is the formula for F is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. F is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught del E into del E by, so R square will be replaced by D square. This is called electrostatic force. F is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught del E square by D square. Next, distance will be same. Gravitational force between hydrogen atom. First you have known what is the meaning of gravitational force. Gravitational force is nothing but the force act between the two masses. First formula, Fg is equal to G m1 m2 by d square. Fg is equal to G mkh by d square. Mkh into mkh square. Fg is equal to G into mkh the whole square divided by d square. Next condition. If the net force of electrostatic force and gravitational force between the two hydrogen atoms placed at a distance d apart is 0. 0 means net force, electrostatic force and gravitational force becomes 0. Appo Fe plus Fg equal to 0. Appo taking S modulus, Fe is equal to minus Fg. Force is not negative. Taking S modulus, modulus means, so negative sign will also change into positive sign. Fe is equal to Fg. Fe, what is the value? 1 by 4 by epsilon naught del E square by d square. Fg, G, m1, mkh, the square divided by d square. D square cancel. Remaining term del E square is equal to 4 by epsilon. 1 by 4 by epsilon, you have known the value of 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. 9 into 10 power 9 into del E square by G m h whole square. Del E square equal to G value you have known 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. mkh mass of hydrogen value is given 1.67 into 10 power minus 27. The whole square divided by 9 into 10 power 9. If you have all the values you have known, substitute, and finally we get the answer. Del E is approximately the value is 10 power minus 7. This is the solution.